Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make the hummus that everybody loves. So the ingredient for that, we need garbanzo beans, water, olive oil, tahini sauce, lemon juice, garlic and salt. Usually I soak the dry garbanzo beans overnight and boil it the second day with little baking soda. When it's like very soft, I rinse it and I make the hummus. But because most of people they use cans now, so today I'm gonna use the can. It doesn't taste the same like the other one, the original, like soaking the garbanzo, but it's good too. We need the food processor. I'm gonna put the garlic first with some salt. I'm gonna put half a teaspoon salt and crush it a little bit. Okay, and then I'm gonna add the garbanzo beans. I'm gonna add the lemon juice and 1 tablespoon water. I'm not gonna put all the water at once. I'm gonna add them little by little. You check every once in a while to see how thin is the garbanzo. It has to be creamy, so thin. Let's see how creamy. This little bit more. The creamier the better. I think they are good. You see how smooth? Look how creamy. Because if you put the tahini before you make them smooth, they will stay big chunks. It won't get smoother. So that's why I usually make it before I put the tahini. Now I'm gonna add the tahini. I'm gonna check to see. All right. I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons olive oil. It will make it creamier. Okay. See, when I put the olive oil, it makes it fluffier and creamier. Now I'm gonna try it to see if it needs salt, lemon juice, or more tahini. Little bit more lemon juice and salt. I'm gonna add little bit salt, little lemon juice. You know, each lemon juice it squeeze sometimes less, sometimes more. I put 2 and I taste it. It needs more lemon, so just do the same thing. Put the lemon and then taste it. If it needs more, just add to your taste. Now they are ready. So good. Some people they like them little thicker than that, but always hummus after you make it, like maybe in 30 minutes or so, they will get more harder. So that's why I like to make it little loose. In this way it won't get too hard. Just like that. The trick with the hummus, to add the paprika, just dip the fork with a little of the hummus and then go like that. Okay, and in the middle you put some hummus like that, and you drizzle the olive oil in the middle. You can put some parsley and or mint, any greens in the top. Myself, I like it like that, but it won't hurt to put some parsley sometimes. Let's try both ways for just little different color. Okay. So what do you think, guys? This is our hummus. So easy. 5 minutes. We have the hummus ready. It tastes good. I taste it. It looks good. Make sure to make it and let me know how it will come out. Thank you very much, and I will see you next week. Bye.